Hey guys, it's Miss Slayton. I'm here with my weekly newsletter. I hope that you all are having a wizardly Wednesday. I know it's a little rainy outside, but I hope that you all are enjoying this week and are just living life to the fullest during this time. So, Wizardly Wednesday, if you find a magic wand, what's the first thing you would do? Um, I would love to hear your thoughts. So share those with me on Seesaw. This week, I want to talk about just kind of a review of checking grades in home access. I will later today update the grades from last week. And if you had any missing assignments, I will also get those put in as well. So, parents, remember when checking Seesaw activities that here's the view. If this activities is lit up, then that means your kiddo still has activities to complete, right? So this is the teacher view, and you can see that I have lots of activities here posted for children, but your kiddo will have activities, and this light bulb will be lit up for them. All right, remember, parents, you can follow what your kiddos are doing on Seesaw. And if you need help with that, just reach out to me and I will love to help you get connected. Lastly, remember that we have Google Meets. I have Google Meets every day at 1:30 for my office hours, and you will use this code for Slayton. On Fridays with Mrs. McMillan, we have a fun Google Meetup at 1 and 6 o'clock, and the code is McMillan and Slayton. This Friday, we'll have a fun show and tell. So make sure you have something to share with us for show and tell. If you need help, let us know. Miss Fasani rolled out Google Meets to all of the iPads, so you have this on your student iPad from school. If you don't have a student iPad, then just download the app from your app catalog, your app store. All right, let me go back to the first page so I remember everything that I wanted to talk about. So this week's newsletter is really a review of last week's. Just wanted to check in again. I was so excited to see so many of you at the Castleman Creek Parade on Friday. As it was a tough day, learning that we were not going back to school, but what an absolute blessing it was to hear and see a majority of your faces on Friday. So, again, if you need anything, please reach out to us, Mrs. McMillan or myself. You have our cell phones and our email. Please reach out to us. And we'll talk to you soon. Have a great week, guys.